Well, g'day folks, welcome back to another boat ramp tour and review video. Today I'm in Warrnambool and we're going to cover 4 of the most popular boat ramps in Warrnambool. This first one I'm at is called Jubilee Park Boat Ramp, or Jubilee Boat Ramp. And it's very nice. I've been there a couple of times, but I have to say I forgot how nice of spot it is here. It's very windy today, but that won't stop us taking a look. So right now I will show you Jubilee Boat Ramp in Warrnambool. So let's go through our checklist. Free or paid facilities. This one is free. Do you need a four-wheel drive? No. Are there toilets? Yes. Are there showers? No. Is there lots of parking? Yes. Is there a fish washing area? Yes. Is there a boat and trailer wash area? No. Is there a shaded sitting area? No. But you can sit under the trees. Is there a playground for kids? No. Is there barbecue areas? No. Distance to the closest camping area? Distance to the closest shop? Distance to the closest hotel? Distance to the closest fuel pump? And distance to the closest hospital. Total score out of 10 is 4. Well, there you go. How nice was that? I think that was or is an absolutely beautiful place to hang out and launch your boat. Jubilee Boat Ramp in Warrnambool. I'm going from boat ramps in order from east to west. So if you're looking on the map, this is the most eastern boat ramp out of the 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 4 I'm going to cover in this video. But it's really, really pretty. So let's move on now to the next one. This next boat ramp is called Mahoneys Boat Ramp. It's a whole lot smaller than the last one we were just at, but it is very pretty. It's a very nice one. I'll show you Mahoneys Boat Ramp. That was Mahoneys boat ramp. And it's very nice, that one. There's not much there. There's a very nice walking track. It's probably one of the smallest ones in the area, but it's still very, very nice. The next one I like a lot. It's kind of hidden, but it's very pretty. So let's go and take a look at that. This next boat ramp is called Lyndoch boat ramp. This is a nice little one as well. The first three boat ramps I've shown you are all access to the Hopkins River in Warrnambool. There's no ocean access. This is just boat ramps into the river. The next one after this one is ocean access only, no river access. But anyway, let's have a look at this one here, Lyndoch boat ramp. We're running out of light, folks, but I reckon I can just squeeze in another one or two of the boat ramps in the Warrnambool area. This one is called Lady Bay boat ramp, and it's probably the best one. Well, it is the best one. It's the best one in Warrnambool. It's the most popular, it's the biggest, and it's really nice. It's in a really nice location. There's lots to do around this boat ramp, including swimming, going to the shops, playgrounds, all sorts of cool stuff. It's close to the city. I'll show you this boat ramp now before we lose all our light and it gets too dark. Lady Bay boat ramp. This final boat ramp that I'm going to cover in the Warrnambool area is called the Dennington boat ramp. It is the smallest boat ramp of all the ones we've looked at today. It's quite nice. It's small, but it's quite nice. It has toilets, it has a playground, it has a sheltered barbecue area. So it's got all the things you need. It is quite acceptable. I'll show you Dennington boat ramp now. Well, there you go, folks. That's all the boat ramps in the Warrnambool area, or almost all the boat ramps. So hopefully you saw something and learned something, and if you come to the area with your own boat one day, you've got a bit of an idea on what to expect when you get here. So thanks for watching. We'll do more boat ramp videos in the future, and have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.